Hi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm continuing the build of my AR4 MK3 robot, which I've already assembled and tested. I ran into an issue with the J3 motor belt, it was loose, and tightening it was tricky. After checking, I found that the J3 mount was damaged because of pressure from the mounting bolts. The original J3 mount was 3D printed, and while it worked at first, it couldn't handle the stress long term. So I decided to upgrade it with a stronger aluminum version to make the belt tension more reliable and improve the overall durability. This is the new J3 mount made from aluminum, custom machined to replace the original 3D printed plastic one. Here's the 3D design for the J3 mount. For the bolt slot, the end mill used is 4.5 mm, but you can also use a 5 mm end mill during the milling process, both will work fine. And don't forget to add an M3 threaded hole for the belt tensioning screw. These are the dimensions for the J3 mount that we can make using aluminum. I'll also share the 3D file, feel free to download it, the link is in the video description. Here's how it looks after installing it on the J3 motor. Make sure everything is properly aligned, the bolts are tightened securely, and the surface sits nice and flat. Now we're ready to mount it onto the J3 arm along with the belt. Let's move on to the installation. When installing the belt, I used a 4-inch ratcheting clamp to help keep the belt tight. It helps hold the motor in position while adjusting it, so the belt stays properly tensioned. Once the belt feels tight enough, go ahead and tighten the mounting bolts. Don't forget to adjust the tension screw as well. This helps keep the motor from shifting, so the belt tension stays consistent. Now let's run the J3 motor to see if everything works properly. With this aluminum J3 mount upgrade, the motor should be more stable, and the belt tension more consistent. To keep things affordable, all the other parts are still 3D printed, and they've been working just fine so far. So this is a good balance between strength and budget. I hope this video was helpful if you're working on the AR4 or planning your own robot build. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.